The sound P. How is the sound P pronounced?
It is pronounced P.
Can you say P?
P. 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 Very good. The sound P has two different spelling variants, P and PP. Now let's take a look at some examples of the sound P.
P.
I,
Pie.
P,
Ot.
pot,
T.
up,
Top.
ha,
P.
happy.
The sound P is unvoiced, meaning your vocal cords don't vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue stays in the lower part of your mouth, and your lips press together, then separate when pronouncing the sound P. Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This sentence contains many examples of the common English sound P.
Charlie was happy because her dad was making chicken pot pie. Quick recap time.
The sound P has two spelling variants and appears in many words.
It is pronounced pa and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like pie, pot, top, and happy all include the sound P.